Hello, my name is Christina, and here at Dodge Nature Center, we love to explore and learn in the outdoors, especially during the winter. But if you need a warm-up break inside and are feeling creative, check out this fun borax crystal snowflake craft. To make one snowflake, you will need a half cup borax, pipe cleaners, a large popsicle stick, food coloring, string or yarn, a large plastic cup, some measuring cups, a large mixing bowl, a whisk, and a kettle to boil 2 2/3 cup water. Step 1. Cut some pipe cleaners in half. Form whatever shape you'd like. I decided to twist 3 pieces together at the center and add some small doodads at the end. Check to make sure your snowflake fits inside the cup without touching the sides. Tie your snowflake to the popsicle stick so that it hangs inside your cup without touching the bottom or the sides. Step 2. Fill your kettle with water and place it on the stove to boil. While the water is heating up, measure out a half cup of borax and place it into a large mixing bowl. Once the water starts to boil, measure out 2 2/3 cups of water and add it to your bowl. Whisk well. Make sure all of the borax is dissolved in the water. Step 3. If you'd like, add a few drops of food coloring to the bottom of your cup. Pour borax solution into your container with your snowflake, making sure the snowflake is completely covered. Let it sit in the solution for 24 hours. Now you're ready to enjoy your snowflake!